Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog with Lexupnext. So as y'all can see, I am in my closet and this is literally where I have my vanity set up. I am about to go live. Right now you see the finished results of the live. I just finished up with my live and I did this makeup look on live. If you don't know, I go live every Monday, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Go and make sure you get on my email list, get on something, follow me, do something so you would know whenever I do go live. I go live and I recreate makeup looks. Today I recreated this makeup look. I'm gonna show y'all the exact look throughout the live y'all gonna see, but I'm just showing y'all this is the results and I'm about to let y'all see what it is like behind the scenes of me doing live, and just a little bit of the process of my makeup tutorial. We about to get into another makeup look, but I need everybody to come on in and live. If you're on TikTok, make sure you tap in the screen. Hey, if you're on Instagram, share the live with somebody. This makeup look that I'm doing today is going to be so very creative. Y'all see that? Screenshot this, go post it on your Instagram, say you tuned in to Lexupnext on live. And we about to get into this look, y'all. I'm gonna be priming with the e.l.f. Grip Primer. So we're gonna go in with a good amount of this. Y'all, I ran out of my Morphe setting spray. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is just in the color Espresso. Hey! Oh, I didn't even see you requested to be in the live. Hey, girly. Hey. I'm literally just darkening my brows in because I already had the brows there. So all I have to do is darken mine. When it comes to carving your brows out and prepping your eyelids for the eyeshadow, use a mattifying concealer. That's the key, y'all. If you want your face to look snatched and up, you gotta pull everything in an upward motion. Now we gotta try to get it to look the same. So we're gonna do the bottom. I gotta do the corner. And then we gotta do the white. So we're gonna do the white, then we're gonna do the bottom. Okay. This under the eye. And the reason I didn't finish the under eyes yet part of the eyeshadow is because you gotta be real careful. If you do an under eye look and you get to putting your concealer, your foundation, all of that on, you could mess it up. So it wasn't no point in me doing that just yet. Dang it, my camera dying. I just want to show the look. Alright, so now that y'all have seen the makeup tutorial, yes, this is the results of the makeup. The live was really good. And I love how the makeup came out. It was a creative look. It's definitely a lot going on the eyes, but I love it. I love it. It's real cute. I wouldn't wear this on a regular day, but this is the look that we did. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast before I got on live. So what I am about to do, I'm about to go in the kitchen and I'm about to make me something to eat. I really don't know what I'm gonna eat because I feel like I got stuff. Like, I got food, but not food that go with other food. So I was thinking about like an avocado egg toast. I got the avocado, I got the egg, but I don't have the sourdough to put the avocado and egg on. So I gotta just figure out what I'm gonna make. But I know I'm so hungry. I gotta make something. I really gotta make something. And I'm feeling good today. What else I need to do today? I want to record some content. I don't really necessarily know what I'm recording on about or whatever. But I do need to come out. I need to figure out my scripture of the week and an affirmation for this week because I like writing that down and putting that on my mirror so I can, you know, read it every morning. But yeah, I'm feeling real cute. I want to put on an outfit. I need to go shopping so bad. If you are a clothing company and you watching this right now, y'all send me something. Send me something because I have gotten sent clothes before, but I need something. I need some more outfits. Make sure you follow all of my socials if you haven't already. I'm going to leave them down below on the screen. And make sure y'all watch this video to the end. Okay. Okay. I just finished everything that I needed to do. I didn't post it on Instagram. I didn't finish eating breakfast. All of that. I still haven't edited my video though. I'm gonna get to it. But I just posted this video on my Instagram for my Labor Day sale that I'm having today for my Makeup Academy. Really my Makeup Academy plus my digital bundle, my digital product bundle. Today is Labor Day, and which is September the 1st. We in a new month. But yes, I'm having a sale for today. By the time y'all see this video, of course the sale is going to be over, but it's for my digital bundle and my academy. If you don't know, if you want to learn any of my makeup techniques, I'm talking about any of my makeup techniques, you need to get in my Makeup Academy. You need to become a student of mine. I have over 1,000 people that have joined and became one of my students, y'all. The academy consists of over 6 hours worth of video tutorials. So if you're a visual learner, this definitely is for you. But yes, it has a bunch of stuff in here if you don't know, but it has different skin tone models, 4 different ones. It also, I teach you how to do mannequin makeup for extra stream of income. I also teach you how to do my infamous baby doll bright under eye bold blush look. And in each video, it's very detailed. So no matter if you're a beginner or if you're advanced, you're going to be able to follow it. So the next thing on my to-do list for today, y'all, my mom had called me and she was saying that she's cooking or whatever, and I could come over and get a plate, and everybody coming over there. So I may go over there, but before I do that, I wanted to show y'all the results of my bathroom. As y'all can see, my bedroom, I'm done decorating my bedroom. The only thing left is curtains in every room. That's gonna be the very last thing, but my room is done being decorated. Oh, and my TV. I gotta put my TV on that wall. But I have a TV already in one of my Airbnbs that I'm gonna be taking once the lease is up over there, and I'm gonna put that TV in here. But I also finished decorating my bathroom. I finally finished decorating my bathroom, y'all. So I'm just going to show y'all. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna show y'all what the bathroom looks like. Y'all, it came out so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. I'm happy with it. Everything is done in there. So let's go. We on MTV Cribs. I'm about to show y'all my bathroom, okay? So y'all follow me. Follow me, follow me, follow me. All right, let's get into it. Finally, the reveal y'all been waiting on. If you watched the previous episode, you seen where I was decorating my bathroom and I was kind of struggling with what I was going to do in there. I would pick up pieces here and there, but I didn't know what direction I was going in for the decoration. Eventually, I decided that I wanted it to have a Vogue magazine type feel, and that's exactly what I got. These are the results, y'all. This process of decorating my bathroom took way longer than I expected it to, but it came out so nice. I love the aesthetic of neutral colors, but I wanted to do something different, so I wanted my pictures to be different. Of course, the curtain by the shower was different, and I also added bows, and I think it came out so freaking cute. Now I have my dream luxury bathroom with a cute spin to it. If you see anything that you like, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront so you could grab the same decorations that I have. Anything you don't see on my Amazon, most likely I got it from Burlington, Ross, or Home Goods. And the picture frames for the posters came from Hobby Lobby. If you're still tuned into my move-in series, comment living room, because that's the next room we will be working on. All right, y'all, so I just finished making breakfast and now I'm sitting here eating. I had to put on my robe, my warm one, because I am cold. My apartment has not warmed up and I don't want to turn the heat on. I tried opening the door, you know, letting some heat come from outside. It's cold out there. I'm not ready for the cold. I am not. But so what I made is I got some protein oatmeal. This is the Kodiak oatmeal. I believe I have the mixed berries one. Might be like 13 grams of protein. Plus the milk I added in here. It's like dang near another 13 grams of protein. So, and then I made a chicken apple sausage. I didn't eat most of my food. But I made a chicken apple sausage and I eat it like dipping it in cottage cheese and mustard. Don't knock it till you try it. I found it on TikTok. I tried it. And it's actually good, like that combination. The mustard and the chicken kind of, it overpowers the cottage cheese taste. It tastes like a sauce. It just tastes good together. Try it. Then I had 2 eggs. So this is just a very high protein breakfast. Now I'm just about to chill. I need to edit my video, eat. I'm about to watch a little TV. Today is Labor Day, y'all. My mom just called me and she was saying how she was cooking out and stuff. And I can actually cook, you know, have a Labor Day party if I wanted to. But or Labor Day get together. Let me say get together, but I didn't plan it out. I wasn't really too much thinking about it, Labor Day or whatever. But I don't know. Maybe I might cook myself something. Cook myself something later. I don't know. I decided to come to my mom's house. Again, today is Labor Day, so my mom was cooking out, doing all that good stuff. I only got 3 minutes left on this. My lips look crazy, y'all. I need to wipe this off. But yeah. What was I saying? I only got 2 minutes left on my little SD card. But I came over here because she cooked out. She didn't know I was on the way or nothing like that, so I'm just kind of like popping up. Hopefully it's enough food for me. But I'm about to go in here and chill out for a little bit, have a little family time. So I know I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all in the house with me when I went in to my mom's house. But by the time I got there, everybody was leaving. My grandma had came over and she had left. My brother and his friend was over there and she was getting ready to go. And he was upstairs. Basically, I was there by myself. My mom was on her meeting and basically I was just there chilling by myself. So I ate, I got me a plate and I just came on home. Now when I walked in the house, I forgot I gotta clean the kitchen. So I'm just about to, it's not a lot that I gotta clean up. Y'all, my mind all over the place, but it's not a lot that I gotta clean up. I just need to rinse the dishes off, put them in the dishwasher, and yeah, wipe the stuff down. Y'all, I don't know what I'm thinking right now, but after I finish cleaning up, I'm gonna go on live on TikTok for a little bit so I can promote my Labor Day sale one more time before the day is over. Literally, before the day is over, I want to promote it one last time so I can get the last minute people in. But this all I gotta wash for real. Oh, and this pan. Y'all, look at my spoon holders, or my, you know, when you're cooking and you sit your spoon down. One says blessed, and this one is like a Halloween one. It says boo. That's the only Halloween thing that I have here. So I told myself that I'm not buying any holiday or season decorations until I finish decorating my actual apartment, because why would I be buying other decoration and I haven't even finished decorating for real? So that's the only season decoration that I did get. I'm just about to wash these dishes. Well, like I said, I'm gonna rinse them off and then I'm gonna put them in the dishwasher. What's up, y'all? Today I'm up at my suite and I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a little different. I moved my suite around because I was just getting bored with how it looked, and on top of that, I'm trying to redecorate in here. So I'm just about to show y'all me moving the suite because my battery about to die. Here we go.
Thank you.
When I got home,
I forget I was the most popular guy. Can't tell you how much this means to me. Thank you.
Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Yes, I be. Here it is.
Where the hell is caretaker? Join in the booth by baby face bottle. The head of the pair of the high security bleachers are the good behavior cops. Early. Sorry. What are we celebrating?
I got so far, it's not nowhere near done. I want to get new everything, but this is what I got.